Hi, I'm Steve Smith with Permatech Foundation Repair, and if you give me just one moment of your time, I can show you how we're revolutionizing the foundation repair industry to save you time, money, and unnecessary stress. So like most homeowners, you probably started your search for foundation repair company by looking at online reviews or asking friends and family for recommendations. While that's a great start, the journey often becomes confusing and frustrating from there. Every company you talk to will give you different opinions, different methods of repair, and wildly varying price quotes. It's a chaotic landscape that leaves many homeowners confused. I know this because before founding Permatech Foundation Repair, I worked with many different foundation repair companies, and I saw firsthand the gaps in the industry, whether it was poor communication, subpar job execution, inconsistent inspections, or the use of low quality products. I knew what I was looking at. I can only imagine how it must feel from the perspective of a homeowner like yourself who's just trying to protect their biggest investment, their home. So what I did was I assembled a team of highly qualified engineers, product specialists, a dedicated team of partners, and we developed a standardized and transparent process for diagnosing and repairing foundations. Thanks to those efforts, we're able to provide you options because we believe that an informed homeowner is an empowered homeowner. So we know that with those options and that information at your fingertips, we're confident that you can make the right choice yourself. So if you're tired of the runaround and you're ready to find a foundation repair company that prioritizes transparency, quality, and customer satisfaction above all else, we invite you to call us today at the number below or click the button to receive your free, no obligation estimate. Thank you.